Unboxing. Onikuma Earbuds.
Hi everyone! So let's unbox this Onikuma T38 TWS wireless Bluetooth 5.1 earbuds. So I will be using it for my other device. It comes also with 3 colors, blue, white, and black. So I choose color white. It comes with USB charging cord and also an extra buds and instructions inside as well. And what I like about this product, because the supplier will give you 6 months warranty. So if you are not happy or satisfied with it, feel free to contact their support team. So this is actually good for gaming, listening to music, and also for making phone calls. Earbuds each weight only 3.5 grams, and it's comfortable to wear, fits comfortably in your ear, and it's virtually invisible from the outside. No need to press, no pressure, give you a new touch experience. Safe charging, it is a Type-C Bluetooth earbuds. And also, it comes with waterproof, built for sports and energizing lifestyle. With each earbud wearing nearly 3.5, you'll forget you even wearing them. So I'll be putting the link where I purchased this product. It is actually very affordable.